Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share a couple of latest hiring information that is for freshers and experienced folks. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically friends, in this video we would be going to discuss about these jobs from Emerson to HSBC, and we will concentrate more on this job. And however, keeping that aside, I have discussed about these jobs earlier from IBM to KOCH and from NOKIA to other jobs. So all this information I have kept in a website which is Booble 360. It is my website. You can take a look and apply for the jobs. So let's discuss about these jobs in this video. I am opening it. So basically Emerson company is hiring for freshers for software development engineer role. They are basically looking for the people who have completed Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Software Engineering, Computer Science or related engineering or science field. So basically if you see the trend, they are looking for CS graduate, but EC folks can apply, EEE folks can apply. If you have C language knowledge, even Mech can apply. And also keeping that aside, BSc computer folks can also apply for this job, friends. So keep this in mind. And the only thing they would be looking is one programming language is enough to do this job. So if you want to apply, just click on apply for the job. So if you see the trend, they are hiring for both BTech and degree folks. If you want to apply, just click on apply for job, and here is the link. You just need to click on it, so it will land you in the original job page. And the next job in this video is systems engineer. So Honeywell is hiring for systems engineer role in Pune. So basically I have reviewed this company and I have also shared how you can search, filter and apply for the jobs in Honeywell company. So basically these people are looking for the person who have completed bachelor's degree in engineering. So when it comes to the engineering, anyone, CS, IT, Mech, civil folks also can apply, but make sure you have some knowledge on computer programming. That will definitely add you some great advantage. And also if you have some knowledge and 1 year of experience, even BSc folks can give a try. Because listen friends, we are doing no harm to anyone, just we are throwing our application, that's it. And the thing is, just click on apply for job if you want to apply. And let me show you. I just clicked on apply for jobs. I got a link here, clickable link. So you need to click on this link, so it will land you in the original careers or original job page. That would be easy for you to apply for the job. And next, PTC is hiring for associate software engineer role, and basically this job is also for freshers. So this job is bit complicated and the salary would be high, like more than 10 LPA plus. So they are looking for the people who have skills on Java, JSP, JavaScript, HTML, REST API using OData, Polymer.js, Angular.js, and candidates should be comfortable with server-side as well as client-side technologies like PHP and Node.js, etc. So however friends, if you have some sounding knowledge on Java, you can give a try. It's complicated, I know, but you can give a try. They will train you on the remaining part. I believe Java and HTML or something, it would be a part of your academics. And just click on apply for job to move forward. Just click on apply for job. If you click on this clickable link, it will land you in the company's or else this jobs page. And next, Edgio is hiring for software developer in India. So basically this is a most complicated role, I would say. Maybe the salary would be high, I'm really not sure, but if any Edgio employee is watching this video, please let us know how would be the salary part. So basically they are looking for someone who is having who have completed bachelor's degree in computer science or related, like CS, IT, EC also and EEE also, if you have some sounding programming language. So they are looking for front-end performance optimization engineer using Chrome DevTools, web page test, or Lighthouse, speed curve, experience with Edge CDNs, e-commerce experience with cloud platforms, and they are also looking for multiple skills. I'm really not sure how a fresher can learn. Maybe this role might be for senior folks as well. So just click on apply for job and click on this clickable link, so it will land you in the appropriate page, friends. And keeping that aside, next job is Autumnberg is hiring for customer operations specialist. So they are looking for a person who is fluent in Kannada, English and Hindi and have good Excel knowledge, freshers or experience in the industry customer service, degree from a highly competitive academic institute in quantity, any graduation or technical degree. If you see this is for everyone. Anyone can apply for the job. I think this is a non-tech job. So basically, friends, if someone in your circle is looking for a job and not interested in technical field, or else who really needs a job, probably they can give a try in this company, and by working in this company they can search for another job. So just you need to click on apply for job, and you need to click on the clickable link. It will show you the further steps. And next, let me talk about the GMR. So GMR is hiring for IT engineer in Hyderabad location. So they are looking for diploma or graduate in any stream, like from CS, IT, Mech, civil, instrumentation, any stream. They don't have any problem. Preferably certified MCITP. I'm not sure what exactly this means. And relevant experience, 1 to 3 year experience in infrastructure support. And I'm really not sure what exactly this means. Maybe they will train you, but any fresher can give a try. Fresher or experience, you can give a try, friends. Just click on apply for job, and once you click on apply for job, it will show you the a clickable link. Then you click on it, it will show you the further steps. And next, HSBC is hiring for assistant manager operations role. So this is the role, and this job is based out of Mumbai. And basically these people are looking for someone chartered accountant or graduate with good knowledge on accounting and basic understanding of capital markets, functional and behavior skills. You need to have good analytical skill and Excel skills, communication and team management and time management. So they are basically looking for CA fresher or a graduate with 1 to 2 years of experience, primarily in mutual fund operations, insurance, alternative hedge funds and audit firm. So basically, friends, what I would say, this is a great opportunity for CA fresher, and also for financial folks, it's simply an awesome opportunity. And it is good for MBA finance as well. So these three type of people can give a try. And let me show you how to apply. Just click on apply for job and just open this clickable link. So it has helped to land us in a company's website. The last date is 6 Jan, so I recommend you to apply as early as possible. You just need to click on apply and click on proceed. So basically, friends, if you are applying for the first time, you need to click on new user and you need to create an account. If you have applied already in the past, so you need to log in with the username and password, then click on login. So once you click on login, it will show you the further steps, friends, and make sure you keep your resume in handy. And keeping that aside, let's see this. So for assistant manager, the salary is like 11 lakh, it's here 12 lakh, and for contractor 7 lakh. So this is an on-roll job, by the way. So the salary would be around 10 LPA for this role, friends. So I think it's a great opportunity to start your career in a big bank or big financial institution. So if you see the trend, we have covered almost all the things. This is for diploma, this is for CA or finance folks, for both MBA as well. This is for any graduate, irrespective of your education, you should be a graduate. And this is a bit complicated role, CS and IT, and CS, IT, EEE, EC and BSc folks can apply. Same thing goes here, any engineering, and for this also any graduate with programming knowledge. So these are something that these companies are looking. If you see the trend, we have covered almost all the departments, like 360 education, educational graduations. So I think that's it for this video, friends. In my upcoming video, I would be sharing more relevant information. I have created a Telegram channel link. I have posted the link in the description, so you can take a look and join in the channel for quick updates. Thank you and have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye.